Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Not entirely sure what I'm up to. I am going to take some of my old and handy Additives White Metallic, which I have not used for a while, and who knows what's in it. I see a whole lot of bubbles though. I have paint from my last painting. I need to clean off my dish and throw it in the bucket. So I think I'm going to put a little bit, where'd I do it? Okay, I put it down someplace right where I could find it, right? There it is. I think I'm going to have to help it off. It's Prizm Pour leftovers. And throw those spatulas in the bucket. And put a little Eden black paint in there. And I tried to mix up some hot orchid and pink diamond combination with some Aussie Floetrol to see if I could make a cell activator that was hot pink, but I couldn't do it. I do have an edge catcher. I might want some more paint. I think I'm just going to throw caution to the winds. This is, if it's coming out, this is some Mead and white paint. They might even all be slightly different viscosity, to tell you the truth. But I like the odds, and it's going to go to waste if I don't do something with it, so I'm being called to some Tuscan sun. And I've got a new batch of Orange Crush with Big Apple in it. I also have some new white cell activator, so if things go really sideways, I could always do something with that. And I like to push that over. Oh, I got an itch. Colors are great. I don't really feel like I can lose, except for that Meaden is a problem. That it seems to be thicker than everything else. I kind of want some more black. That was a lot more black. Maybe even more than I anticipated. Taking a big chance just tilting. I think I can fill in anything I might need though. Need to fill in. Kind of want some more white because I'm loving what I'm seeing. But it's awfully thick. Let me see. Huh? Here's sacrilege. Let's go for the, that feels thinner. That's the Artist Loft. It doesn't look thinner. It's time for me to make up some new white paint. Alright, talk about sacrilege. Let's add some of the Additives White Metallic too, because I need something to flow. Now whatever paint I wind up with on the edge catcher, I can put back into the canvas to fill my spots after I flip it back. And hope for the best. And call it good. So a little of that and a little of this. And one more spot and I'm filled. And I'm going to throw my spatula in the bucket. Probably going to torch. I just finished having a semi-disaster with my toothy tool, but I think it might be kind of cool to see what happens. So way more paint. That I know what to do with, but I can throw that in the bucket and it's time for me to go. And I'm liking all of that. So that's very cool. And there's quite a few Prizm pours in there. There's a 20% off coupon code underneath the video. Should you like to use it, if you shop my Amazon link, it's on the link tree under Show More. And it helps me out at no added cost to you, and I really appreciate it. Thank you for your kind words and your patronage. Thank you for your donations to help keep me painting. And know that you're eligible for 30 days from the time you make a donation. You get a free consultation. My paint is rather heavy, but my design is just really fun. Torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I use GAC 800 in some of my colors, and I hope there's enough in there to help level the paint and keep it from cracking. Actually, I use GAC 800 in all of my Prizm Pour colors. I was thinking about Floetrol. I don't know why. But I do want to bring my rack over if I can, without dropping the painting that's on it. It's sort of crying out for a few spirals, don't you think? It's looking pretty heavy with the paint. I think I went a little overboard, to tell you the truth. Oh, but there's the perfect amount of paint to cover that one naked corner. That one not alone naked corner. How many naked corners do I have? I have 3, 4. I'm just going to guess that that other one has a naked corner. Grab my phone and shimmer that at you. If I can get it to come on. I am covered in paint. Yeah, I might be very tempted to add the odd spiral, like right I should have done it before I torched. But hopefully everything will be alright. We'll see tomorrow, I guess. I won't publish it if it's a fail. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Let's see if I can get the whole thing in there. Look at that shimmer. If I've forgotten to tell you anything, you'll find everything you need to know on the link tree, including my website. And I'll see you anon. Please give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. Would really appreciate that. I see that I'm out of focus, so it would be really super nice if it would focus for me. Sorry about that. Okay, take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Bye for now.
This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Wondering if I said that again twice. But it's dinner time and I gotta go. Bye for now. Priscilla out.